Hi, this is Sarita LaRoche from Roche Art. Today I'm working on one of my favorite things, which is to just take all the extra paint I have left over from other projects, throw it on a canvas and see what happens. It's not my most inspired way to create fluid art, but I'm often surprised by the chemical reactions, by the interactions of different colors I would have never chosen for a composition. And it just gets me into a kind of a problem-solving mode where I get to riff with the materials that are given to me and see what I can do with them. So let's go in the studio and make something.